Hello students, today we will learn about managing files and folders. Ubuntu is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It also manages the computer resources and provides common services to other software. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, copy and storage of files. Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system which is designed to be used in the field of education. It has become the most popular operating system because it is available free of charge and can be downloaded on almost every type of computer. The first edition of Ubuntu, which is Ubuntu 5.10, was released on 13th October 2005. It was codenamed as Breezy Bagger. Ubuntu has been developed in collaboration with teachers and technologists in various countries. From time to time, various versions of Ubuntu were released. Ubuntu 14.4.2 LTS is the latest version, which was released on 17th April 2014. Before moving forward, let us first talk about features of Ubuntu. Ubuntu has become popular due to its user-friendly environment. The salient features of Ubuntu are as follows. User-friendly. The graphical user interface GUI of Ubuntu is very intuitive and easy to work with. Reliable and secure. It is easy to use and learn, faster, more reliable and secure. More personalization. You can redecorate your desktop with new themes and wallpapers. Faster workflow. You can create the shortcut of frequently used applications on the launcher for quicker access. Education-based. It comes with preloaded educational software and is particularly designed to be used in schools and colleges. Free to distribute. Ubuntu is available free of cost and can be downloaded on any number of computers. Better memory management. Ubuntu can smoothly run on systems with relatively low amount of memory. Multi-user support. Multiple users can maintain personalized environment as per their own preferences. Multimedia rig. You can enjoy multi-channel audio and high-definition video with the help of software provided along with Ubuntu. Global connectivity. You can connect to the internet, receive and send emails, and can download latest software from internet. Alright students, let us know more. Ubuntu is more secure as it protects the computer from virus attacks. Students, let me tell you how to use desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real-life desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find a pen stand, books, notepads, calculator and files. The desktop of Ubuntu also serves the same purpose. Here you can find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, disk drive icons, etc. The image at the background of the desktop is known as desktop wallpaper. The small graphical images present on the foreground of the desktop are known as icons. Alright, let us discuss about the menu bar. On the top of the desktop lies the menu bar which displays software-related menus. The extreme right portion of the menu bar is the indicator area or notification area. If you want to switch between users, shut down your computer, control the volume level, or change network settings, you will find an option in one of the indicator menus. The most common indicators are Network indicator. Manages network connections, allowing you to connect quickly and easily to a wired or wireless network. Messaging indicator. Using this feature, you can easily access instant messages and email clients. Sound indicator. Provides you an easy way to adjust the volume settings as well as an access to music player. Clock indicator. Displays the current time and provides a link to your calendar, time and date settings. Session indicator. It is a link to the system settings, Ubuntu help and session options like locking your computer, user, guest session, logging out of a session, restarting the computer, or shutting down completely. Let us talk about Launcher. It is a vertical bar containing icons present on the left side of the desktop. The launcher provides shortcut icons of commonly used applications, mounted devices, and the trash. The first icon at the top of the launcher is the dash, a component of Unity. The default applications that appear in the launcher include the Files Manager, LibreOffice, Firefox web browser, Ubuntu Software Center, System Settings, Floppy disk, and Trash. Dash. Dash is the topmost icon on the launcher and has Ubuntu logo on it. It helps you to quickly find the applications and files stored on your computer. Files folder. It is a folder where you can place all your files and folders. Firefox web browser. It is used to surf internet. From here you can access the websites like Wikipedia, Gmail, etc. LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a word processor which is used to type and edit text document. LibreOffice Calc. By default, LibreOffice Calc, you can do calculations and create data in tabular form. LibreOffice Impress. This application is used to make presentations. Ubuntu Software Center. This icon opens your primary software management system for Ubuntu. It is used to install, update, or remove software from the system. System Settings. This application is used to change computer settings like personal settings, hardware, and system settings. Floppy disk. It is used to access the floppy drive if it is attached to the computer. Trash. It stores the deleted files. Okay students, let me tell you how to browse files and folders. While using computer, you often need to open and save the existing files or folders. You could even copy and move them around and perform other tasks. Files File Manager. Files File Manager provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders. Students note the fact a file is the basic unit of storage in Ubuntu that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. You can save your work as a file on a computer by specifying a name to it. A file name consists of two main parts, the file name and its extension. Open Files File Manager. To open File Browser, click on the dash icon. Type files in the search bar. The application icon will appear below the search bar. Click on the icon to open the application, or click on the Files folder on the launcher. Viewing Contents. To view the contents of any file or folder, select the file or folder that you want to open and press the Enter key. Or simply double-click on the file or folder to open it. The file will be opened. Students, let us understand how to search using dash icon. The dash icon offers a number of ways to find the files and folders stored into your computer. It is the topmost icon on the launcher and has Ubuntu logo on it. When you click on this icon, a window opens up towards its right. This window contains the search bar at the top, lens bar at the bottom, and filters result on its extreme right. Let us know more. To select a consecutive group of files, click on the first file, hold down the Shift key and click the last file. To select the non-consecutive files and folders, press and hold down the Control key and click on the files to be copied. Lenses. Lenses are the elements of the dash window that provide help to search both the web and the application data, which includes Home Lens, Application Lens, Files and Folder Lens, Music Lens, Photo Lens, Video Lens, and Social Network Messages Lens. Each lens provides you a category of search result for the dash. Filter results. It is located on the top right corner of the search bar in Dash window. This button narrows down your search even further by allowing you to search for files and folders from the available categories and sources. Alright, let us discuss about search using Files File Manager. In Files File Manager, click either on the magnifying glass button or press Ctrl plus F key combination. This opens the search bar where you can type either a part of the file or folder name or complete name, or type a word or phrase that exists in the file. As you type in the search bar, the items that matches your search starts appearing in the window. Double-click on the file or folder that you want to open. The file will open in a new window. Let us know more. A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files. Arranging files into logical groups makes the computer easy to locate any file. Observe, when you click on a search bar, 3 tabs appear on its right side: Home, All Files, and add a new criteria to this search. Select the folder from the Places pane to restrict the search result within it. Clicking on All Files tab will widen your search. Similarly, select the Add a New Criterion to this search tab to choose the file type. Let us know more. The Files and Folder lens assists you in finding most recently used as well as recently downloaded files or folders. Let us know more. Press Shift plus Del to delete files or folders